Go.
So, Daddy, guess what I'm gonna mix? Green plus yellow plus red.
Okay.
Now, let's. Green. Yeah, this is a pretty color. Yeah. You don't need that color. Oh, wait. You still need some more color, but this color we do need to look at. That piece is. This is very fun. Oh, I was my teacher. Plus red. Wait, I've done that. Orange plus red. Orange plus blue. And I need the blue. I need the blue for a second. No, let me use ones. I need whatever, orange plus. I'm doing red plus blue. Then it goes purple. One drop. Go. Oh, let me try. I'll try. There. Now let me have it. Wow. Purple. Purple. This is purple.
Nice.
I make purple.
Beautiful.
So, blue plus orange. I got it. I want to use this